It's the 24th of December and I'm just on my way to go to my sister's place. I ordered turkey dinners for 2 of us and that's where I'm going to celebrate the not New Year, Christmas Eve dinner. I'm waiting for the train right now. They should be here soon.
Dalhousie Station. Doors normally open on the left.
This is the park where I used to take a shortcut to walk to her place, but look at how much snow there is. It's gonna take me a while. Oops. Wow. See how deep my feet is. Yeah. Ay. My socks is gonna be very, very wet when I get to her place. All these things, right? Things that I do. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Yikes. This is the road here. Wow. It's full of snow. It's hard to walk on this road. Jeez. Look at that. Wow. How do you drive here? I don't understand. Darn it.
Dinner at 3.
3 p.m.
Ano mo na ito? Nako. Hanggang kaya na. Ayaw lang i-force at... Woo! Shit. On ka, ano ka na?
Uy! Yeah! Naka-on na pala.
Asa mo na yung shit, ha? Can you see?
Yeah.
Unboxing. Oh! They have gravy and something.
Ooh, cranberries. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ito yung dinner. Kasama. Meron pang labanos mustasa. Wow. Yung stuffing.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Stuffing and mukhang masarap.
Oh, okay.
Yum. Walang may dessert tayo. So, this is per person. This is what you get. Kita mo? Ayan o.
Wala akong pantakit pala. Nasambay na.
Turkey and mashed potato in the stuffing. And what is this? Parang...
Oh, some vegetables.
Yeah, some squash, right? This is squash. Oh. Yeah, max. To the max.
Which one is this? Milestone?
Yeah, milestone.
Oh,
That's where we have our after the run for the cure.
oh.
We have lunch there.
Oh, look at the stuffing.
Yes, I love it. I love the cranberry.
Yeah.
And cranberry girl.
And the potatoes are good. Oh. I thought I will be just craving turkey today. Thank you.
I guess not. Hey. Oh, let's try that gravy. I want to try that gravy. Gravy in my turkey. Oh, that's a lot of turkey. Don't know if I can finish it, but
Well,
hey.
hey, it's early.
It's still a long night. Oh yeah, you can also put it on the stuffing. Gravy everywhere. And then more gravy here. Mashed potato.
And grilled turkey.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Skip the dishes. Have a Merry Christmas.
That's good.
Wow, that is good gravy. That's a good. Okay, we'll have to remember this milestone.
It's worth it. You know, if you compare this and this.
Try this. Yep.
Did you get your wine?
Yeah, I got my wine.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Yum wine. We've been having the same wine since Winnipeg, right?
I don't know.
Right, I think so. I remember since Winnipeg we were always wanting this.
We're trying different ones, but this is the one that I really like.
They changed their bottles many times over. Still the same. We're still drinking the same.
After I try so many kind of still.
I don't know.
But this one is rosé.
Is this?
This is the other one.
Oh, okay.
And it's supposed to be less sweet.
Wow.
So this is 8, this is 4.
Ooh.
I just want to try it.
They have sour cranberry. Do you like sour? Oh yeah, you like sour.
I don't know, let's see. That's perfect.
Their stuffing is good. Wow. This is much better than having to make a turkey.
Yeah.
Smell the turkey all day.
And then so many things to chop up and then clean up. This is our China for Christmas.
Yeah. And I thought you were gonna take out all your china. We have to eat from this. More drops na ba? Ayan, ang isno dito. Oh wow, look at that. Barbecue. Ah, the train is here. Hello. I was just saying I want to show the train. I just got out and it's here. What a good timing.
I have to call June.
Desserts. Baileys. Candies. There's some more here. Yeah, it's not lots. Just 2 jars. That's it. It's fine. Now and then I get a little bit terrified, and then I see the look in your eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then